Hello Bay and Bay, I am Joshua, the Denton Terminal Manager, and today I want to take a couple minutes to talk to you about following distance. So following distance is one of the leading indicators of a driver who is at high risk for having an accident. Okay? So what do I mean by following distance? Well, common sense. How far is the vehicle in seconds from you? All right, so a safe following distance is 7 to 8 seconds in a commercial vehicle and double that for inclement weather. Okay? One of the most common things that I see when I'm watching your camera events is when you're following while passing. You will get right up next to that vehicle in front of you, and guess what you're doing? You're looking out your left mirror because you're waiting for that opportunity to make the lane change and then get around that slow moving vehicle, whether it's another semi or a four-wheeler. We don't want to do that. That does not leave you with an out. You are putting yourself at an extremely high risk for a possible fatality collision when you are following this close. You need to increase that following distance. Start your pass sooner so that way you're not whipping your truck and trailer into the left lane and you're not at risk for a loss of control event. Take your time, be in no rush. Our trucks are not going to win any drag races. Your loads, you have plenty of time to get from point A to point B without any kind of issue. There's no need to rush. Keep that safe following distance so you can go home to your loved ones, because that's what really matters. Thank you for your time and have a great day.